I'm happy to announce that the second and the largest phase of polling in Bihar has come to a close. Some of the polling stations may still be polling because the polling time was at 6 o'clock, and all those standing in the queue till 6 p.m. they may be voting. So that figure will come to us, and as we get the information, we'll share the information with you. Uh, Elections were conducted in a peaceful manner across 94 assembly constituencies in 17 districts of Bihar. By-elections were also successfully held in 54 seats across 10 states of the country. The electoral exercise going on in the country at this time is by far the largest exercise in the world to be conducted amid the pandemic. The election is not only a litmus test of our comprehensive and advanced planning mechanism and robust electoral procedures, but also a test of faith of people at large, as we had the challenging task of balancing the safety and health of our voters with the democratic right to exercise their franchise. The vote had to be saved and the voter had also to be kept safe. In the first phase of election, the voters of Bihar had reposed their trust in the Election Commission of India, and the stringent safety measures established in the polling places by coming out in large number of voters. The voters turnout in the first phase had been exceptionally good. The voters turnout has further continued, and the confidence level of the voters has been much more in this phase. I'm sure that it will be much better even in the third phase of Bihar. So, buoyed by the safe conduct of the elections on 28th, the voters have again displayed their tremendous enthusiasm as they overcame the fears of COVID and came out to exercise their franchisee. I take this opportunity to thank all the voters who have made this election successful and meaningful. My special thanks to our senior citizens, persons with disabilities, women for coming out in large number, undeterred by the difficulties or the personal circumstances. My sincere thanks to all the security personnel from CPF, police, and others who have accomplished this strenuous task of maintaining law and order and instilling confidence among the voters. Our special observers, general observers, police and expenditure observers have worked day in out to make the poll a success today. Our very special thanks to Chief Electoral Officer Bihar, all the district election officers, all the district police officers, and their entire teams who have made these elections peaceful and successful. Our thanks goes to all the electoral machinery in the field, up to the BLO level and the poll volunteers who have assisted the commission in conducting the election. So, the responsibility of conducting election was a difficult and demanding one, but however, the officials have carried out this task with courage and conviction.